Hey, I'm Stasia.
And I'm Trey.
And this is our channel.
Yes.
In this video, we went through the process of building a raised garden together, teamwork. It took a lot of time, patience, and we are not professionals, but we did our best. So I hope you enjoy.
Altogether, it took about 2 hours, but we shortened it for you guys. Yeah, I hope you enjoy.
It took us like 3 weeks. All right, here we are breaking down the workbench into smaller pieces. We're gonna break it down, break it down. Here's my lovely husband. Break it down together.
Hi, I'm her lovely husband. This probably took us the longest. I remember she woke me up out of my sleep at probably like 3 a.m. to go get it from somebody.
No. Lovely husband. It was not 3 a.m. It was probably around 7:30, maybe 8 a.m. But it was a Saturday, so I understand the disdain. He was not the happiest. He was a little grumpy, but look at us, breaking it down, breaking it down. And we're almost done getting everything broken down from that workbench. Honestly, for as far as the garden goes, the workbench gave us 85 to 90% of the wood, and that was completely free.
And you see Paige, she's the Chihuahua mix running around in the grass. I saw on Reddit that she's a Jack Chi, if you guys know anything about that breed.
Okay, so right here, we're gonna start measuring out the different pieces and eventually start assembling. We just wanna make sure that we have basically equal sides for the long sides and then equal sides for the short sides. And right here, we're cutting the post that we're gonna use as brackets, or like, what do you call that when you like conjoin? You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
I know what you mean, but I don't know what it's called either.
Well, right here you see us. We're screwing it into that part, making it sturdy. Got our gloves.
I remember when we were drilling, a lot of times we couldn't get the nail all the way in, so that was definitely a lot of fun.
So right here, where my lovely husband is using the handsaw, and now I'm using the handsaw. Our little electric chainsaw thingy broke. It was a piece of don't buy it.
The battery's only good for like 2 minutes, actually, like literally 2 minutes.
On that, and it was not the best.
I think we had a dud. They might have some good ones, you guys.
Don't buy it. But right here, we are working. We are getting those pieces cut so we can assemble the frame. And here we are. Ooh, that's a good picture. I like those angles. Very nice. Here we are putting it together, cutting some more pieces, hands on. Okay, so right here we really start to get to building the frame. And all of these screws, at least 90% of them, are recycled. We basically save the screws we use to take apart the workbench and use the same screws to screw it together.
Make sure you guys recycle.
Yeah, and look at us go. Ooh, and look at that. Okay, so we're coming in with a little stand, making it,
What's that stuff called again? It's not paint, right?
No, stain.
Stain.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just said that.
Yeah. So here's the wood stain. We're making it look so fresh, so clean. Ooh, look at that.
And this I decided to add in because Paige is so beautiful and dear to me, just like my wife, so I wanted to capture this perfect moment between the both of them.
My lovely husband wanted to add this in because he likes to not only with Paige, but myself.
That's probably like 5 different types of soil and horse poop. Isn't it compost when it's a horse instead of manure? Manure's for cow, right?
Manure is just in general. Compost is that's sat over time.
Oh, okay.
Still mixing and layering. Wow. It looks so
Perfect.
so perfect, so clean,
So pretty.
so pristine.
Enchanting.
Hey, so this concludes our gardening video. I hope you guys liked it.
If it was a little too fast for you, I'm sure there's somewhere around here you can slow down. And,
YouTube has a feature to slow it down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do.
I'm not gonna say like, comment, and subscribe, but do that if you want to. Bye.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
You're gonna be like.
And I hope you guys enjoy.
So you don't want me to say anything at all?
No, go. This is your turn.
You just say, "Hey, I'm Seja." And, babe, you're supposed to. I'm Trey.
And this is our channel.
This is our channel.
This is our channel.
Okay, and we built a raised garden bed. Talk about that a little.
Okay.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. No, the world doesn't like to see men happy.
Okay. So,
We're gonna have bloopers.
hey, I'm Stasia.
And I'm Trey.
I'm gonna introduce you, actually. So
You're gonna introduce
Yeah.
me? Since when?
since now, okay? Hey, I'm Stasia.
wait, I'm not ready because you
Hey.
started laughing.
Just send it to me and then delete it. I'll save it. You don't want to have the space on your
What's
phone.
the
That's fine.
point of that?
This, because
What are you gonna say?
whatever you tell me to say.
Hi guys, this concludes our gardening video. Hope you enjoyed.
I'm sure if it was no. Just let it record. We can cut. Okay.
Hi. I'm not gonna.
No. We need like.
You got a grease forehead, girl.
Get in front of it. See how greasy your forehead is.
My ain't greasy. My ain't shining like.